So from the SAT questions, this question is going to be a little bit harder than the other word problems. So we are given percentage problems. In 2021, 275 biology majors make up 2.5% of the undergrad students at Washington University. Now, so at here, just try to find the number of Washington universities. It says that here it's only 2.5% of the Washington University. In this case, what do I have to do? I have to just simply write them down, 225. So makeup means be equal. Just try to write them down equal. 2.5% of in math, which illustrates just multiplication sign, okay? So 2.5% of what? Washington University, right? Uh-huh. So when you're given with percent, just you have to divide them to find the number of version. So from the decimals, just let's work with this expression. You know, division turns as multiplication, right? 275 multiplied by 100, and you have to do what? You have to divide to 2.5 to find the number of Washington universities in 2021. So in 2021, there are how many students? There were 11,000 students from the biology majors. And the next part, we're given which year? Exactly 2022, right? In 2022, it says what? 450 biology majors make up 3.60% of the undergraduate students at Washington University. So at here, also have to use the same method to work out with this one. So 450 equals to 3.6%. 3.6 divided by 100. Now I just turned them to a number, so we can cancel them, of the Washington University in 2021. So just again, use decimals. 450 multiplied by 100 divided by what? 3.6. So in 2021, there were 12,500 students. Now, the question says that which of the following statements about the undergraduate students of Washington University is correct? So now let's take a look at the answer choices. We are going what? There were 13.6 more percent students in 2022. 12%, 1.1%, 12%. So they're simply comparing, right? In this case, what do you have to do? Definitely, you have to use this formula. Pn equals to P0, 1 plus or minus R divided by 100. And there should be the number of years. It's called percent. So we have to find an R here. So this increase, as you can see, these numbers are just simply increased, right? There is 13.6% more students, right? In this case, now let's increase this amount from this formula. So you have to use 11,000 in the bracket. What? 1 plus 1 plus. Now let's work with this expression. It says 13.6%, right? Just let me use that one. Or to find the number of increase, you may use this formula. 1200 and 500. Instead of equal sign, just use this sign. Then you have to increase this amount, right? To what? In the bracket, 1 plus, let's label them as R. A, which illustrates, what? A illustrates constant. It's a number. Here's also, they are numbers, right? They are illustrating numbers. That's why I have to use only number A. But when you work with them as x, as you can see, decimals cannot calculate this expression. That's why use constant expressions. There can be any numbers. So exactly, that's A choice. So A is going to be 13.63 and others. Okay, approximately 36.6% is going to be the same. So as you can see, it's definitely A. Now I just did what? I just increased this amount to 1200 and 500, 12,500. Then it gives only A choice, because in the question it says what? Which of the following statement about the undergraduate student at Washington University is correct? No? As you can see, it's definitely A choice then. So if you want to work more about SAT questions, just follow us